Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best 500 ml Ultrasonic Cleaner 2024. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best 500 ml Ultrasonic Cleaner 2024. For smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. When it comes to cleaning delicate items like jewelry, watches, eyeglasses, or small mechanical parts, a 500 ml ultrasonic cleaner is an ideal choice for both home and professional use. Ultrasonic cleaning technology uses high-frequency sound waves to create microscopic bubbles that effectively remove dirt, grime, and contaminants from hard-to-reach surfaces. In 2024, these devices have become more efficient, compact, and affordable, making them a popular option for anyone in need of precision cleaning. The 500 ml capacity is perfect for smaller items or personal items like rings, necklaces, coins, or even dental instruments. Look for a model that features adjustable cleaning time and temperature settings, as this allows for more control over the cleaning process, ensuring a gentle yet thorough clean. Many modern ultrasonic cleaners come with a digital display, offering ease of use and convenience. When buying, consider the following key factors. Higher frequencies, above 40 kHz, are ideal for delicate items, while more powerful models are suitable for tougher cleaning tasks. Stainless steel tanks are durable and resistant to corrosion, ensuring longevity. Choose a quieter model if noise is a concern for your workspace. Popular brands offer reliable warranties, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. Whether you're cleaning electronics or jewelry, a 500 ml ultrasonic cleaner can save time while providing superior cleaning results, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. Thanks for watching the video.